Yo bro, in this video I'm going to show you an app. This is a short video. I'm going to show you an app that can make you cash just by listening to a video, then you transcribe it, just write, type in what you saw in the video, then they'll pay you $1.50 on average, 10 cents on $1.50. This is the amount. So you understand? Just it's a good app, it's not a bad app, just to make you rich, but I make you like a significant amount of money. Depends on how hard you want to put in the work. It's called rev.com. You understand me? Rev.com. See how much do you charge for audio prescription? Charges $1.50 per minute of audio. Timestamps and verbatim transcription are options that cost 30 cents per minute each. Orders placed via API receive free timestamps when you requested. There is no additional charge for multiple speakers. So for one transcription, you can charge $1.50 per minute. It's as simple as that. If you have the passion of this, bro, how long will it take you to transcribe my audio to text? Everything 30 minutes, under 30 minutes. How do I get started? Just click here to get started. I'm just showing you guys an idea in case you have passion of transcribing things. You understand? Rev.com. Use it now if you like. If you're interested in this app, it's called rev.com. So you understand me? It's a good app. You just need to go to careers if you're really serious about it, view openings and take off from there, bro. But this will make you rich though, but it will make you some good good money aside to save you from the matrix a little bit. But just if you really want to be rich, want to make a lot of cash that you can buy yourself a Rolls Royce, you can buy yourself a limousine, you can buy yourself a G Wagon, you can buy yourself a house for yourself, for your mommy, for your daddy, and for all your family. You can change your entire family life. And people will say, how did this guy make so much money at such a young age? Go to the link in my description now. That's the cheat code. Just click the link in my description, the two links that will help you to change your entire life and trajectory, your road to change it. If you just click the two link in description and take action and be consistent, sky is the limit. Nothing can stop yourself death. So bro, go to link in my description and we'll meet. See you, watching you from afar. As for me, I'm out.